Hello, as you can see, we are not exactly new in drones. This one, for example, I made up by myself, and I just received your drones. It was well packed. I open it, and I verified that Google's perfectly working, no problem. They start up without any problem. I put batteries inside the remote controller, no problem neither in this one. And of course I recharge the batteries before to put that inside the drones. It is here. Okay. And here we have got the 4 batteries. The 4 batteries was charged all perfectly before to put inside the drones. Okay, here we are. One of them have got a really small black dot here, and maybe this one is the defective one, but at the moment we put this one on the part. Those are perfectly charged. It's impossible to put in a wrong position because as you can see we have got here that and this one there is a cut, so I can put only in this way and not in the other way. Okay, this one is without the mark because is that one. Okay, here is it, and as you can see there is also this one the mark and here the cut, so it's impossible to be wrong. As soon as I put the batteries inside the drones, nothing happened, and it doesn't work. It never works. Okay? So please, if it's possible, I'd like to change this one. And also I need a new battery. Thank you.